Welcome to Technically Explained. In this video, we are going to learn how to write text behind object in a picture in MS PowerPoint. So let me open my PowerPoint presentation and let me change the layout to the blank layout. Let me insert the picture. Again, I can use the insert tab to insert the picture, and I can simply copy and paste the picture in my PowerPoint presentation. When this done, I am going to readjust the size and position of the picture so that the whole picture fits in this slide. So I am going to increase its size, and I am going to adjust in such a way that it fits the whole slide. When it fits the whole slide, I can duplicate this slide. Either I can press Ctrl plus D, or I can right click and click on duplicate slide. Now we have an original slide and we have a duplicate slide. When I in the duplicate slide, when I click on it, we have a format option appear. In the format option, I am going to click on remove background. When I click on remove background, we have this purple patches, which is considered as a background by MS PowerPoint, and the purple patches are the areas that will be removed by the PowerPoint because it's considered as a background, and we have clicked on remove background option. But I want to remove only these three objects. So what I will do is that I will narrow down the area so that I have a better area. So let me narrow down it. Again, I am not fully satisfied, so I am going to click on mark areas to remove, and I am going to remove this area, and I am also going to I think it's fine. I'm satisfied with it, so I am going to click on keep changes. Now we have this picture. The rest of the background has been removed from this picture. Now in this picture, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click on it and cut it. You can also press the short key Ctrl plus X to do it. So I'm going to cut this picture, and then I'm going to place this picture on the original picture, and I'm going to place it in such a way that we cannot recognize that it's two pictures. We can simply say that it's a one picture, though it's two picture, but we need to place this duplicate picture on first picture in such a way that it looks like a single picture. When this done, I now need to insert text. So let me go to the insert option and click on text box. So I'm going to click on text box, and I'm going to type anything, for example happy family, and I want to change the font style of this. So let me go to the home tab, and in the font style, let me scroll down and select. You can select the font style of your choice, but I'm going to select 2 cents empty condensed extra bold, and then I'm going to increase its size so that it looks better. I think the size is now okay, and I'm not fully satisfied with the color as well, so I'm going to change the color to, for example, let me change it to this dark blue color. So now I have changed its color. Now what I want to do is that I want to add an animation as well. So I'm going to click on animation, and in the animation I want to have a simply fly in animation, and I want to have it from left. So this is now my animation, and I also want to change the duration of the animation because 0.5 is a very low duration. So I want to change this to, for example, 1.1 or 2. Now that it's done, I'm going to click on the text, and then I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to click on send to back, and in the send to back I am going to click on send backward. When I click on send backward, as you can have a look, the text is now appearing behind these objects, and in this case these objects are this family. So now we are ready, so we can now play the slideshow. You can have a look, the text is behind these objects in the PowerPoint presentation. again you can have a look in the slideshow. The text appears behind these objects in the PowerPoint. So that's how you can add text behind objects in a picture in MS PowerPoint presentation. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained.